what's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the newest edition. So I'm really excited about this car here. This was actually kind of the first car that really got me into performance side of cars. Pretty much the identical twin here. I had a 2000, I mean this was a 2001, but I had a 2000 silver S4. Kind of bought it with a bad clutch, completely stock, and took it from there to full bolt on Stage 3 KO4, E85, the whole 9 yards. Hood release is broken, so it makes it a little bit difficult. Alright, so under here we have got forged diverter valves, APR bolt-on bipipe. It's got the lightweight pulleys, which I probably will be putting a stock or some type of dampener on it. Not necessarily recommended to be run without any kind of dampener. And also, sorry about the wind noise, I'm sure it's going to be terrible. Also got coil compact conversion and just simply hot air intake. We might change that up similar to what I had on my last one. As far as suspension goes, we got all new control arms, H&R coils, and Celebration or Ultra Sport wheels, 18-inch on those. So overall, pretty solid setup. Also got the Catalyst Downpipes, Milltek catback, and Blake Beadle 91 octane stage 2 tune. So very solid setup for an S4. Very happy with the setup on it. Not a whole lot that I'll need to change other than maybe tidy up a few things. Really love the way the thing sits. Pretty much exactly like I would have it if I did it myself. Bumper is actually in exceptional condition, again for the age and miles. So yeah, I think we'll get in and do a quick little drive and before all the daylight leaves us, and then we'll get to work on it. So just a quick little update. Since I didn't have my GoPro mount in here, I wasn't able to film it, but I did a quick little launch and ripped a few first, second, third gear. And the clutch in here definitely is not up to the task. So we're gonna have to keep it pretty mild until we're ready to put a clutch in it. Launch was pretty decent, but a quick 2-3 shift wasn't gonna happen. As soon as I hit it, clutch slipped. So that's fine. We don't need to launch at every corner, so we'll take it easy a little bit. And guess probably won't be going E85 right away until we have the time to do a clutch as well. So figured that'd be an interesting little thing to throw in there. So I suppose it does have an RS4 clutch in it, which is what it does feel like, but it's not gonna do it. But that's fine, won't hinder our fun with it. We'll just have to keep from launching it, keep from hitting the gears too hard, and I think we'll be good. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, it does make flames, and then after the flames, and also the sparks come flying out.
That's pieces of the turbo.
Stop that thing.
That's pieces of my turbo, boys.